What's up, guys? I'm getting in for the second session. Like 1 hour ago, I just had my first session. On the first session, we made $10. This second session, we are trying to make like $20 for the second session. So, without wasting much time, I'm launching my robot, my even and odd robot. So, we are trying to make a quick $20. So let's see how the market treats us. Finally, guys, we made it. We made our $20. It's almost $21, but we wanted to make $20, but we made almost $21. So it's all in our advantage. So, guys, this I'm done for my second session for the day. So 30, let's say $30 in profit because the first session I had $10. This is the second session, $20. So, guys, if you are somebody who is interested in trading too, you want me to take you through, or you need the robots to start trading, making some daily earns in dollars, you can also reach out to me. I'll be glad to put you on. So until then, ciao ciao. See you guys.